Did they not sense him?
He's being quite still.
Oh, oh, this is gonna be too much. That's one way to get rid of spares.